What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been ages since I last made any kind of updates to the car. Just been kind of busy with work and stuff, and haven't really done much. But here's some updates for those of you that are kind of curious, and I still get a lot of questions over certain little things. For starters, the tail lights that I added to the car, no longer in there. I actually had to return those on the video. I took off the link. They didn't quite work out for me. They kept like glitching out. One of the lights wouldn't work. I spoke to the guy. They sent me a new light. The new light did the same thing. So eventually I just got my money back and installed the stock tail lights. And that's that. In this one here, we're going to be putting a front lip, or a lipstick as I like to call it. Because the old one broke off. Now, little updates on the old one, because people are going to ask me, oh, is it worth it? Should I not buy it? Totally worth it. I think it was really good, to be honest. I had it give or take for about 3 months. Unfortunately, it is a front lip, and chances are your front lips will probably break off. I actually hit mine, or scraped mine, a couple of times. Not hit it. I scraped mine a couple of times on some exits and stuff like that. Held up great. Nothing ever happened to it. It was perfect. What made it come off, unfortunately, was, I don't know if y'all remember, but front lip had like a little gap right here, like airflow. If you haven't, you can just click the link in the bottom. I'll link it to the installation of the old lip. But yeah, it had like little airflow, little air pockets. And there was a really crazy storm in my area during the summer. And I was out getting a haircut, actually, and I took the car, and on the way back I got caught in the storm. And my neighborhood is kind of like tilted downwards, so that all the water kind of like just flushes out of the neighborhood. And unfortunately, the exit where the water was going in is my entrance, where I had to come in. And when I went through the water ripped it right off the car. I didn't notice until I got here, and then later on during the day, I came to the garage and noticed that it was all messed up. Anyways, don't want to waste too much of your time with all that stuff. So here's a new one. I got this one from eBay. I actually don't really know what it looks like, except for the pictures. But I mean, the pictures can be a little bit deceiving. So let's find out. Let's see what this new one looks like. It's gonna look different. It's not gonna look like the old one. Hopefully it doesn't look bad, guys. I'm hoping here. I don't know what it's supposed to look like once it's finished. Because the pictures that they had on eBay were really bad. So if it looks good and you guys like it, I'll leave the eBay link in the bottom in case you guys want one. But if you don't like it, let me know in the comment section if you're digging it or not. And that way I know if I should remove it or add new ones. Alright, everyone, so, oh, you guys can't even see me. Here's my dog coming in here. She's gonna get me the views. Alright, so this is gonna be a close-up of how it looks like, and hopefully it looks pretty good. You guys let me know if you like it or if you don't, because it's very, very different than the old one that I had. I feel the old one looked very, I feel like, she just flashed you guys. I feel like the old one looked very subtle, while this one is kind of a little bit more out there. So let's see. If I don't like it, I might return it. So again, it has little hooks, and those hooks are gonna go like that. Can you guys see that? It actually looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. That looks dope. And it fits perfect. Oh my god. but no double-sided tape, so I'm gonna need to add some. It does tell me that I need to do this first, so this is supposed to go in here. Just like that. And then this one goes over here. Just like that. And then, yeah, that's the lid. Looks pretty good, guys. Let me get you all some close-ups of it. That's what it looks like. What do you guys think? I think the lid might actually look pretty freaking awesome. But I need to find some double-sided tape and see if I can install it. Yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. So looks pretty good. And I don't know if I can get close enough so that y'all can see like the paint on it. But the paint has like glitter. No, you can't really tell. It's got like glittery paint on it, so looks pretty nice. Let me find some double-sided tape so I can try to get this on, and I'll show you guys the before and after. That's what I'm gonna be using right now. So I've got alcohol and this quick detailer. The alcohol is gonna be kind of to remove all the detail stuff, but I haven't washed the car since last week. So it's a little bit dirty where I'm about to put the stuff, so I'm going to use the quick detailer to kind of clean it up. I got the 3M Auto double-sided tape that I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Give you some bad shots here. So this is the fitment. And this is just with double-sided tape. I'm gonna add the screws. But that's what it looks like from afar back here. Let's get this bottom out of the way. It looks pretty good, guys. I like it. I'll show you some daytime footage in a short reel, but that's the new lip from an angle down here. Yeah, this one's a lot more bolder and sticks out a lot more than the old one, but it looks pretty good. It gives me like Adro, I believe that's a brand, Adro feel to it. Looks really good. The only thing that I'm not liking, and that's probably just due to like usage, that it looks a lot more brighter than the black on the actual car. But the car's also dirty and hasn't been shined in a while, but yeah. Alright guys, well, that's the way it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to add the screws, but you guys don't really need to see that. If you guys are interested in knowing how the screws go, I mean, if you do end up buying it, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's got little holes in the bottom. Well, it doesn't have holes, but it has like where the holes belong. I'm just gonna drill them in using in this guy, and that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I'm at 549 subscribers. If you guys can get me to 600, I would really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it with your friends. Anybody that's got an LCI M340 and they want to see what different lips look like, here's another one. So looks pretty good. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.